Can you send NDAs to all of our campus leads?
How many employees do I have starting on Monday?
Confirm which companies on LinkedIn you're currently parsing through.
There wasn't anything to learn. It was just like bringing on a coworker to my team.
Something really cool that Bot can do is actually watch how you work and then be able to record what you're doing and then summarize that into a real workflow.
It's not using your computer, so you can keep doing work in parallel while Bot is working on another instance.
For almost every other AI product I've used, the output is in the chat. With Bot, the output is somewhere else.
Having an actual computer instance that has the browser open, that understands how the site actually functions, that's, I think, why it's worked so well. It all started with email. I said just go off and send them. All of them had sent out, as I had said, and it's kind of built its own layer of trust, and it's something that I'm totally comfortable being hands-off with.
I have a Figma agent that will create slides for me during a meeting. It will pull the discovery notes and then create a slide deck at the end of the call. And they're always like, how did you create that during the call? That's incredible.
I think it's funny when they talk to each other and they actually give direction to each other.
I noticed that's kind of replacing like all of my other apps. Like I'm just living with my bots like in that window and I'm not switching between everything else.
I've always had like a AI thinking partner, but I've never had an AI doing partner that like actually does things.
With Bot, there are no limitations.
It's so natural. Can't really imagine going back to an old way of working.